Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talks, where we dive into the tools revolutionizing how we handle data in the digital age. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a fascinating tool called Airweave. This platform bridges the gap between various apps, databases, and APIs, making semantic searching a breeze for agents and users alike. Sounds intriguing, right? So what exactly is Airweave? Well, think of it as a handy assistant that takes complex, jumbled information and transforms it into something easily searchable and retrievable. Whether your data is structured, like a neat spreadsheet, or unstructured, just like the plethora of documents and files out there, Airweave has got your back. It breaks the information down into manageable pieces, which can be accessed through simple REST or MCP endpoints. But what does that mean for you? Let's break it down with a quick analogy. Imagine you're trying to find a specific scene in a long movie. Instead of watching the whole thing again, wouldn't it be great if you had a tool that could just show you that specific scene? That's precisely what Airweave does for your data. It skips through the fluff and brings the relevant pieces right to you. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, it's super straightforward. You clone the repository from GitHub, run a couple of commands, and voila, you're ready to access your data through an intuitive dashboard or even via API using Python or JavaScript. It's kind of like having a key to your own digital treasure chest. And let's talk about some of the key features that make Airweave really stand out. This tool can synchronize data from over 25 different sources with minimal configuration. It has an impressive entity extraction and transformation pipeline, making it easier to manage complex datasets. Plus, it's built with a multi-tenant architecture using OAuth 2, which means it can securely serve multiple users without a hitch. But wait, it doesn't stop there. Airweave supports incremental updates, so your data is always fresh, and it employs semantic search capabilities for agent queries. Imagine being able to ask your assistant for information and having it serve up the most relevant responses instantly. How cool is that? Now, let's not forget about the tech behind the scenes. The front end is built using React and TypeScript, which gives it a modern interface, while the back end runs on fast API, ensuring smooth operations. Plus, if your business expands, there's a roadmap for further integration, like adding webhooks and Kubernetes support. Isn't it fascinating how tools like Airweave are changing the landscape of data management? It empowers businesses to make pivotal decisions based on real-time data access. So whether you're a developer looking for a seamless experience or a tech enthusiast curious about innovations in the field, Airweave might just be the tool you've been looking for. As we wrap up, remember this. In an era where data is the new oil, having a tool like Airweave can make all the difference in extracting value from that data. I encourage you to dive deeper into this technology, explore its repository, and maybe even contribute if you're inclined. For more insights and discussions, stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you for joining me on Tech Talks, and until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating.